In today's interconnected world, multilingual communication skills are increasingly crucial in the workplace. Whether it's engaging with global clients or collaborating with culturally diverse teams, the ability to communicate in multiple languages is becoming an invaluable professional asset. However, the question arises, who bears the responsibility for fostering these skills? Should employees take the lead, or is it the duty of leadership and management to provide such training? This article explores the shared responsibilities and offers practical recommendations for employees seeking support from their organizations. Leadership's duty of care. Organizations have a clear duty of care when it comes to enabling employees to meet the demands of their roles. For staff working in multilingual or international contexts, providing language and cultural training is not just an act of support but a strategic necessity. Here's why leadership should prioritize such initiatives. Boosting employee confidence. Employees who receive the necessary training feel more assured in their ability to handle cross-cultural interactions. Preventing miscommunication. Misunderstandings in multilingual settings can lead to operational inefficiencies or reputational damage. Strengthening global collaboration. Teams spread across borders work more effectively when communication barriers are reduced. Investing in multilingual training is, therefore, an investment in organizational success. It fosters loyalty among employees and ensures they are well equipped to handle the challenges of global business environments. The employee's role. While leaders have an obligation to support their workforce, employees also play an active role in their own professional development. Taking initiative demonstrates commitment and ambition, which can enhance career prospects. Here are some steps employees can take. Pursue independent learning. Use online platforms, apps, or community language classes to enhance skills outside work. Seek immersive opportunities. Practice languages with native speakers or engage in cultural activities to build fluency. Communicate needs clearly. Share specific goals and challenges with management to highlight the importance of training support. This proactive approach not only develops individual skills but also shows management that the employee is serious about their growth. Finding balance. A collaborative approach. The most effective solution to the challenge is forming a partnership between management and employees. Here are some tips on how organizations can support staff. Provide access to training. Offer in-house language classes or partner with external providers to deliver multilingual training sessions. Allocate resources. Subsidize external courses or provide stipends for employees pursuing language development. Offer flexibility. Allow employees to dedicate work hours to language learning when it's essential to their role. By combining organizational support with individual initiative, both parties contribute to a workplace culture that values professional development. How employees can gain leadership support. For employees looking to persuade their organization to invest in multilingual training, here are some practical tips. Link training to business objectives. Highlight how improved communication skills can positively impact client relationships, team collaboration, or market expansion. Show potential benefits. Emphasize the long-term advantages of fewer misunderstandings, better relationships with international clients, and smoother operations across teams. Demonstrate commitment. Share examples of steps you've already taken, such as completing a beginner's course or practicing independently. Propose a trial program. Suggest a pilot project to test the value of language training, making it easier for leadership to see its impact before scaling up. Conclusion. In a globalized business environment, multilingual communication skills are not merely a professional enhancement but a necessity. Leadership has a responsibility to provide pathways for development, while employees must also take ownership of their growth. Together, this shared responsibility can build stronger, more effective teams that are equipped for international success. If you're an employee, don't hesitate to take the first step. Open the dialogue with your leadership and present your case for support. By working together, you can break down communication barriers and unlock new opportunities for both personal and organizational growth.